single cell proteins or SCP. They have been made to meet the demands of nutrition of overpopulation. Microbes like spirulina, what we do is we grow microbes on a suitable medium, and the medium required here is waste from potato processing, sewage, animal manure, etc. Microbes are grown on this medium and in turn they produce proteins for us. A 250 kilograms cow produces just 20 grams of protein a day, whereas 250 grams of microbes can produce 25 tons of protein because of the rate of biomass production is very high in case of Methylotrophus. Now, these microbes are believed that one day they will be used for the nutritional demands or as protein supplements, as well as this whole process leads to removal of biodegradable wastage and maintaining the ecological balance. Tissue culture. Tissue culture is the process of taking any plant part and then growing it in the laboratory with suitable growth medium, suitable temperature conditions, and maintaining the whole in a sterilized process. Tissue culture, as I told, explants are the plant parts which we take to grow. The whole process is like this. Plant part is taken in lab, then they are made to grow on a growth medium. This growth medium should contain sugar source, carbon, vitamin, amino acids, and with this growth regulators which can be cytokines. And this whole process should be carried out in sterilized manner. What is totipotency? Totipotency is the concept or the basis of tissue culture. It is the potency or the property of the plant by which from a single part, single cell, a whole new plant can be generated. Hybrid protoplast. When we take single cell from a plant and we digest its cell wall, and we take another single cell from another plant, again we digest its cell wall and fuse the two protoplasts, we get hybrid protoplast. These hybrid protoplasts are used to make hybrids of desired characters and traits. These hybrids are known as somatic hybrids and process is known as somatic hybridization. Micropropagation is the process of propagating plants through tissue culture, and we have also tried crossing a single cell from tomato with a single cell from potato, which led to the formation of tomato only, but the characteristics which we desired were not present. That's why it hasn't been commercialized. But tissue culture is the technique or the method to overcome the conventional plant breeding so that the plants can be generated with accuracy, with the desired characters, as well as many times faster than the older method.